So I have this baseball machine where you put this in and you put the baseball in, and then you press a button on the bat over here. You press this button, and then it shoots at the ball. But when I turn it on, it sounds like a tornado. Sounds like a tornado siren, right? This is probably the most tornado siren sounding thing. That's not even a tornado siren. You have to listen to this here. This thing spins, you can see, and there it turns off. But that is probably the most tornado siren sounding thing I've ever heard. It's not a tornado siren. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. So